and welcome back to the Panda Clan. I'm a mother of one and have a wonderful husband. I love making cleaning videos, what's for dinner videos, and also how-tos. But my favorite is of course cleaning videos. Today we are making chicken alfredo with the whole wheat noodles. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a huge like if you want more what's for dinner videos. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you might try this very easy recipe. Thank you. So I'm using the Tyson's frozen chicken, and I just put that in the pan until the chicken is hot. I stir it around. Then I put the chicken aside so that way I can start the Alfredo sauce. And I heat the Alfredo sauce on maybe a 3, so that way it gets bubbly like that, nice and warm. And then chicken in, and then it's ready to go on the noodles. And that's how you make chicken Alfredo. Thank you for watching.